Ito yung kay Ma'am Melanie para masabi. Pwede RR.
Kayo po. Kayo po yung girl. Ano po ba kayo?
Ikaw naman ko kuya.
Sige po, form na lang po tayo ng circle.
Okay.
Circle.
Yan yung naiikot na ganyan.
Bali po meron po tayong story.
Sorry.
Meron po tayong story.
Tatapangin kami.
Ay, kami pala. Meron po tayo ditong story. Dito po sa story na to, may pabanggit na left, right, at saka Christmas. Tuwing maririnig niyo po yung left, ipasa niyo po siya sa left niyo. Then pag right, sa right niyo po. Then pag Christmas shuffle. Shuffle. Saluhin niyo. Hindi. Kayo po, lipat po kayo ng place kung saan niyo po gusto.
Lilipat. Lilipat lang.
Okay na po. Okay.
Mahilig sa red. Favorite color niya red. Naku, Annie.
Ay,
Gago ka na sa red.
Para sa
Okay po. Tuwing Santa. Once upon a time, there was a lawyer named Bob Wright.
Right.
His son's name was Bill Wright.
Feel right.
Right.
Together, father and son started their own law firm named Wright,
Right. Right.
and Associates. Wright,
Right. Right.
and Associates was famous for lawsuits that left
Left.
people
Left.
They left the Eastern
Left.
the Eastern Valley for the rotten eggs she left
Left.
in a child's basket. They left
Left.
the tooth fairy penniless when they sued her for the insufficient compensation she left
Left.
under a child's skin. But the biggest target of all was still left. Santa Claus.
Santa Claus.
He too would be left
Left.
penniless. If everything went right.
Right.
Walang nabago.
Di ba tapos?
The father and son team found just the right
Right.
client in an 8-year-old girl named Sue. Right. Little Sue was upset that Santa had left
Left.
gold in her stocking last Christmas.
Huwag takpan ng camera. Doon ka may alis sa akin.
Okay na po.
Bumalik ako yun eh.
Oo nga.
Okay, right,
Right.
and associates argued that their client had been put on the naughty list without cause. They presented lots of evidence that the girl did everything right the previous year. The only thing left was for Santa to testify. Jingling all the way, he marched right up to the witness stand, raised his right hand, and swore to tell the truth. Santa said that while it might appear that little Sue had done everything right, there was one thing she did that left him no choice but to put the girl on a naughty list. This can't be right. Protested Bob Wright. Left, no stone unturned in our investigation, said Bill Wright. All this courtroom drama left, Sue shaking with excitement. All right, I confess. On Christmas Eve,
Okay, camera ulit.
Camera.
Camera.
I got up in the middle of the night and ate the cookies that were left
Left.
for Santa. I didn't think there was enough time left
Left.
to put on the naughty list. Santa responded, right?
Right.
2 pages
Away.
yun.
Ho, 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 ho. Little soup. I keep the naughty list in my left
Left.
pocket at all times so I can make revisions on the fly. And with that, the loving of right,
Right.
right,
Right.
and associates was left
Left.
with no choice but to drop its frivolous lawsuit against Santa. And that year, neither Bob Wright
Right.
nor Bill Wright
Right.
were surprised to find that Santa had left
Left.
them gold in their stockings. The little Sue was shocked to wake up on Christmas.
Makmak, this is my spot. Makmak camera.
Morning to find that Santa had forgiven her for the frivolous lawsuit and left
Left.
her a nice, shiny present, right,
Right.
under the Christmas tree.
Ito pa rin.
Thank God,
Ano mo, bumalik yung
Santa
sarili.
left
Left.
Left.
the naughty list in his left
Left.
pocket this time, said Sue. Now let's see what he left.
Left.
Tapos ako.
Oh, tama na.
Bumalik.
Bumalik sa'yo. Wala. Okay.
Ito lang.
Ang magpaparambol kasi niya.
Ay, narinig sa.
Sa'yo na.
Ay, ito na lang yung PR.
They are.
Parang din ka rin.
Natatawa eh.
Power bank, sabi mo, di ba?
Eh, mali mo ito. Isang